Hello, Stella. You spoiled doggy. Okay, trying to make a mega neon dog, part 2, 3, I believe. Not sure at all. Didn't keep track. Sorry. It's perfection. I don't accept friend requests unless they're like super nice to me or something. Like I don't just accept random friend requests. Oh my god. Am I gonna sit down or am I getting disconnected? Am I gonna sit down? Oh no. What does a dog salad with banana? Dog with banana taste like? No. Come, Stella, out the fire pit. You're gonna die. My goodness. Sit on the couch. Bad dog. Right. I have been working on Stella. I think I've aged up 2 neons without the camera. Sorry. I just couldn't resist. I needed to make some, wait, do I have enough for, yes. I have enough for the water bottle can thingamajiggy. But I'm gonna buy the coffee container thingy-majiggy instead. Cause it's a better donuts and coffee, yes. I'm not supposed to be drinking coffee. That means I need... Should I move the microwave? Okay. I don't know. Okay, you bagels / donuts / I don't know anymore. There. And you go, it's gonna go right by here. And I'm gonna get some coffee. I spelled coffee wrong. Coffee. Let's get the coffee cups. Where we gonna put them? I don't know. I just put them. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Okay. Now I'm gonna spend almost all my money on the coffee maker. Imagine if it just didn't show up. I'd be so mad. Yeah. Stella, you need your coffees. You can drink it? Or am I gonna drink it? Because I need my coffee. Caffeine. Yum, yum, yum. It was a rough day at work. Rough day today. Just sit back, relax, and eat a bagel. Donut bagel. I don't know. It's donuts with no icing. It's a bagel. Is Stella full grown? Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, Oh no, I only grew 1. Okay, I only fully grown 1 of them. I think this is the one. Sorry, I named all my dogs Stella. You know, I want the Mega Neon to be named Stella. So I'd be naming all of them Stella. Oh my god. Yawn. I like my house. When you go on the outside, people are like, yo, you have a small house. I want to be in your family. I'm like, okay. As they walk into my house, boom. Oh, wait. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, sorry. Random ideas pop up in my head. Stella, spawn into me. I'm not spawn to me. Oh, sorry if it made a little staticky noise. I itchy. Okay, let's go. And we are here. Oh, I want to give a random person. I am poor. Okay. I'm gonna go to their houses later. Wait. A high price to pay. Chosen one for life one. Okay, so I'm gonna like remember those. Try to. At least. At least. I feel like I should write them down and copy them. What? What? Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Oh, I put this. But I would put subscribe to Dictator. I was just on one of the live streams. Subscribe to Rolex. Please. Wait. Okay, go. Do that, please. Please. I'll draw on some people's faces for it. Let's draw on Shane. Shane, you go and get a makeover. Oh no. Doink. Shane, you need that lipstick. Oh no, this dude need that lipstick. Oh, this lady. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought Shane was saying that. Oh my god. Hi, X. I don't know what the X is. But okay, is this... Oh. What? Oh my god. Okay. We have 4 luminous and we have 1. Oh my god. I think we are going to get our mega today. Not sure actually. And we're 6, like almost 7 minutes into the video. Okay, so I gotta copy down these videos. Fries. Boy. Oh, butt shot. He. Fries. Cry so much. Fries. I like the fries so much. But I'm gonna go look at your house. Choose one for life. We're house hunting. House hunting. I'm running over people. You know. Oh no. House hunters. I think we might get our mega today. I'm not sure. I look at their daily login streak, but wait, oh no, Doingy, I going too fast. I need the scooter. I look at their daily login streak, but I also like go in their house if it's unlocked, because people bees unlocking their houses, and just not. The bees don't like it. This is my house, my beautiful house. Hello, stranger. Oh my god, I am not looking on the other sides. Okay, it's gonna take me like a year to do this. Wait, is that her house? OMGs. What? Okay, she is a scammer. Scammer, I'm taking all your coffee. Lola, but they said, bro. Okay, this is like a scammer. This is okay. This is a scammer. Should I? I'm gonna report. Okay, guys, scammer has been exposed. Scammer has been exposed. She is saying she's poor, but has nice house and a great login day streak. I don't know how you spell streak. Okay. No, I forgot what the other one was, but I exposed a scammer. I'm not gonna go up to her and say, oh my god, you're a scammer! And like cause all that drama. I don't want to buy smoke gift. Okay, so let's look at this one. High price to pay. Okay. Ugh. Dang, Stella. Take it. Take my coffee. I gave my dog away. Okay. Okay. No, I want this one. Okay. No clown car. let's go. Oh, 10 minutes into the video. Yeah. Okay, high price to pay. Where is your house so I could expose you? Because I need the proof to expose you, you know. I just can't say, oh my god, you're a scammer. I don't know if you're scamming. If you're not scamming. No, the people that say I'm poor, they're really nice. No, not the people that say I'm poor. Not the scammers that say that. The ones that aren't scammers. The ones that are actually poor. They don't sit down on the ground and stuff. Like, if I make a new account, people trade me, like, haha, you're poor. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm poor. And, oh, she has a better login day streak than me. Are we going to expose 2 scammers in this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we just exposed 2 scammers. Adopt me. So, you better watch this video. Oh my god, 2 scammers exposed. Exposed. Yes. Scamming. Where's high price to pay? I'm just gonna say, they scammers. Oh no. I gotta put a reason. What's wrong with me? I gotta sneeze. I'm trying not to sneeze. Oops. Never gonna stop. She says, no. She left the server. Oh my god. Okay, at least I have her username here. She's poor, but she has long login day streak. And she has nice house and big house. Oh my god. Are you for realsies? Did she leave? Did she leave? I mean, I already reported her, but I'm just gonna say, oh, she left. Oh my god. I am the boss. Of course, all you guys are too. All you guys are the bosses. The boss is. Okay, I couldn't do so much with this. Sorry, person's house I broke into. I just need my greedy, spoiled dog Stella to sleep. And Sam. Sam Sparks. No, it's from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. I watched it yesterday. Not first time, BTW. Are you done sleeping? Okay, we might get our mega today. Who knows? Me. Why don't we like go to our own house instead of breaking into other people's houses? This is my newest house. I deleted the other ones because I didn't really need them, so I deleted them. And I made this beauty. I love this house. Should I become Bebe? You want to become Bebe? Oh my god, I'm so fat and chubby. It's cute. You guys are probably like, what? Oh, Twinkle. Luminous. This one. It's gonna like, what? I mean, look at me. I'm adorable. And is a baby supposed to be drinking coffee? I mean, yes. I am living the life. How do we get up here? Okay, Stella. I got the sniffles. Are we going to school or what? Because I need to go to school. Oh no. I was gonna say, no, our house is drowning. Oh my god, boy, I'm stupid. Okay, my house is drowning. It's floating. Okay, I think this is illegal, but no one will see a baby driving a car, okay? I don't know if it's illegal or not. Wait, I'm gonna create family real quick. Because people are gonna try, oh my god, chubby baby. I'm gonna go pick it up and throw it in the lake. Oh yeah, pool party, Stella, no. No! That was kind of funny though. Let's go. Die, person. Die. You will die a bloody death, a watery death. I don't know if this is appropriate for kids. ETW, I am one. Let's see if this works. Fire. It won't let me tap it. Okay, this is sad now. I am a sad. Oh, I'm gonna eat this. Oh, chocolate. A chocolate. The chocolate cake. Okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, sorry if it's staticky a little bit. Okay, wait, let me try to say this username. Sorry if I'm being rude to you. Manual Class Legends. Yay! Oh my god. Donut Zoe or Zoe. I don't know. I think that's how you spell Zoe, not Zoe. I don't know. I think Zoe is spelled. It depends on the person, actually. My ear's itchy. Wait, I'm gonna pause. Okay, I don't know if the sound was on, but I itch ear and ear's still itchy and it no work. It just no working. I'm cold now. I want to run someone over. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm thirsty. Is there any coffee in here? Yes. Caffeine. Oh no, Stella, we're gonna die. That's not enough caffeine. I need some caffeine. Oh my god, I am thirsty. I am such a fat baby. My goodness. Drink some water for once. We gotta go shopping now. See, wait. I don't know why people never use this store. I mean, honestly, I go to it quite a lot. Because, like, this is where I buy my water when I don't have a water container or anything. So I just buy my water and food. I need some more popcorn. Let's, like, buy a couple of everything, shall we? Let's buy a hot dog. Hello, Justin. Can I pay for my own food? Are you my dada? Popcorn, let's buy some more cake for $3. Dang it, I wish everything in this game was the price of stuff in real life. I mean, that would be just beautiful. I would love it. I think once somebody said, "Where do you get the cheese?" I'm like, the supermarket. Like, where is it? I'm like, it's over there. It's over there. Like, okay. I don't know. Okay, soda, let's cola. Hey, I'm not supposed to be eating full pies, but I'm a little bit hungry. So, let's eat this pie. Ew, I hate raspberries. I'm allergic to raspberries. No, I'm not allergic to anything. I'm not allergic to anything. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I'm allergic to bee stings or not. A lot of my family members are, so don't want to get stung by a bee. Y'all. Hey, y'all. Wow, you flexing on us. You flexing on us. Am I gonna die today? Because I am so stupid, but... How is she doing that? Oh, me want to try. Am I floating? No, I'm not floating. Me want to float. Ah. Me not floating. I swear to God, I was floating though. No, dang it. I don't know anymore. Oh my god. I'm gonna say, can I eat you? Wait, why did it... What? Is this also a new update? You. Can I eat you? Not fresh? No, I'm not fresh. Yum. Cookie dough. Yum. Cookie dough. I'm with ah. Ha 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 ha. Cookie dough. I don't really like cookie dough that much. Only with ice cream. I'ma eat you. Not fresh. It's cookie dough. Okay, okay, I got to go to camp. Hey, owner. Cookie dough. It's me, fresh. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done, Mr. Gingerbread Man. I don't know if it's actually cookie dough. I like the chocolate chip cookie dough, you know, the good stuff. The good stuff. Get out of here, human bubble. I'm trying to age up my dog, Stella. Okay, I think this is it for today's video. It's like 20-something minutes in, and time goes by fast. So yeah, make sure to see the next part, I guess. I mean, I don't know. This is part 2, I don't know. Part 3, I don't know. I don't know what part this is. Just don't make fun of me. But yeah, go see the next part, and see you next time. Bye.